Hi, my name is Chris Wade and I'm a contractor in the city of Los Angeles. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a faucet stopper assembly. You pull up your stopper in your vanity sink and water does not stay. So basically this piece is the one that goes down into the hole on top of your faucet. This is the one that goes up and down. It's basically attached to an extension that has a little set screw on it, which when you turn it, it sets this and it keeps this from going up and down. Now this drops into here and this gets attached from underneath. You literally have to crawl up into the cabinet to do that. Again, it's not as hard as it sounds. Now on the stopper, the part that drops into the bottom of the basin, it has a plastic insert that has an arm that comes out the back of it, which you find the hole that best suits your up and down motion, which will give it a proper seal. Now most of the time these things wear off. The one that goes into the bottom here starts to wear off, and that would be the reason for replacing it. A lot of times also they just come loose and you just need to get up there and just, the first thing I would do is I would check anything that has a moving part to it, which is going to be your set screw, because if it comes loose it's going to allow this to not give it a good seal. It's a really easy fix. It's just a matter of getting in there and just troubleshooting a couple set screws. There's usually going to be 2 of them, and once you get those cinched down, then you should have no problem getting that thing back to proper working condition.